I'll show you an adorable gift wrap idea. What you will need: a box or whatever gift you're going to wrap, some pretty wrapping paper, ribbon that coordinates. I just have the white ribbon and then I have this really pretty gray, so I thought that would look cute. I'm going to be using the mini Badabra and also some bow wire. Again, the color of the wrapping paper and your color of ribbon and everything, completely up to you, so just have fun with it and make it your own. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is unroll some of my wrapping paper. Take my box or my gift. I like to turn it upside down, if you're able to turn it upside down. How I estimate how much wrapping paper I need, I kind of bring one side up and I keep it on the roll and I bring the other side up just to make sure I have just enough to cover my present. So you see, that's going to fit perfectly. But we have a lot of excess on the sides. You can tell just by looking at it. So what I'm going to do, slide my box towards the end slightly. And I like the graded paper because it can help you measure. So I'm going to cut away some of the excess. Like I said, you can keep it if you like. Okay, so I'm pulling both sides together, and then we're just going to tape them together. And this is some really awesome double-sided tape. You can use double-sided tape or even just the plain tape, and just put like a small piece. Try to use as little as possible so it's not so visible. And come to this side. And what I like to do is fold in the bottoms first. So I push it in all the way until I get to the box, and then I make a crease. Do the same with the other side, push it all the way in, make a crease. Do the same with the top. So now it's nice and neat, and I bring the top down and the bottom. And since this is a little bulkier, I am going to tape both sides. Just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Look at how cute that looks. Alright, last thing your gift is missing is a bow. So we will take our mini Badabra, our bow wire, and our ribbon. So I've cut the ribbon into 30-inch long pieces. I've cut 2 pieces. And that's for my thicker ribbon. I believe that's about 1 inch thick. And then I have the thinner balloon ribbon that I've cut into 40-inch long pieces, and I actually have 3 pieces of this since it's so thin. Again, if you really like the thick ribbon, you can do all thick ribbon. I just thought it'd be cute to kind of have a mixture of the thick and thin. You could definitely do all thin. Completely up to you. Just have fun with it. What you're going to do, take your bow wire, place it in half, and place it on your Badabra. And then what I like about this ribbon is, I mean, it does the work for you. It's already pretty much curled. So what I'm going to do is estimate the center, which is right here. And I'm just going to scrunch, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. I'm going to do the same thing with this other piece. Scrunch and place it down. See, it's looking so cute and adorable already with just 4 pieces. But I just wanted to add a little something extra. Now, as you can see, this ribbon is not as curly as the other ribbon. So, to make this ribbon curlier, you will need a pair of scissors. The more pressure you apply, the curlier the ribbon is going to be. So this is just an extra piece I cut just to show you. So this, I'm not applying much pressure at all. You see that's how curly it is. But this side I want to apply a lot of pressure. And you see how much curlier it is. So the amount of pressure you apply is going to determine how curly your ribbon is. So if you want it this curly, then apply as much pressure as you can. If you want it more like loose, then apply less pressure. I want mine more like this side because I want it to hang lower. So I'm not going to apply that much pressure. And then you can actually place it down and then do it if you'd like. But I'm just going to estimate the center. Just right there. Sometimes it gets away from you, so you see it got away from me and it didn't curl everything. I'm just going to pick up where I left off and just curl the rest of it. So that is what it looks like. It's long and curly. I'm just going to place it down. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with my other two pieces. Again, you can make this as large or as small as you like. Okay, so once you get it exactly the way you like it, I think that looks so cute and adorable, and look at how it hangs. You are just going to take your bow wire, bring the open ends inside of the loop, hold your bow together and give it a nice tug. And I'm going to tie it again at the back. If you're tying it to something and you want to keep the extra bow wire, you can definitely do so. But I don't need it, so I'm just going to cut that off. And this is what it looks like. So cute and adorable. And I use silver bow wire, so I think that looks fine because it's slightly visible. But if you use bow wire that doesn't go, then what you can do is just take a small piece of your ribbon, tie it in a knot, and place it down, and it'll look just like that. Then tie it at the back of your bow, just like that. Now you are ready to place it on your gift. So you can place it wherever. I definitely want it hanging since it's so flowy and curly and cute, but you can place it on the right, the left, the center. I mean, you can do the top if you'd like, but I just think it doesn't show off how cute the bow is, so I'd like for it to hang. I think this corner looks so cute, so I would just take a small amount of glue and attach it. Other options, you can definitely add more ribbon and tie it all the way around. I know some people love to save their bows. I'm one of those people. So you can definitely do that if you'd like. But since the polka dots are so cute, I think I'm actually just going to take a small amount of glue and hot glue it right here in place. And a small amount so that if I decide to later, I can always just like pull it loose and use it on another gift for next year. Just apply that pressure. And here is the finished product. So cute, girly, and adorable. Modify the color, the style, whatever you'd like.